We have audited over 100 contractor websites this year alone. Roofers, painters, HVAC companies, plumbers, landscapers, you name it. And I've looked at it, and I have to be honest with you. I keep seeing a lot of the same mistakes over and over again. These aren't minor issues. These are lead-killing mistakes that are costing contractors thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And the worst part, most of them are easy to fix. You just don't know they're there because nobody's told you. So let me be the guy who tells you. Here are the 5 biggest mistakes I see on contractors' websites, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to fix each one. Mistake number 1, and this is the one that seems to be most common, is no clear call to action above the fold. Now, above the fold means the part of your website someone sees without scrolling, whether they're on their phone or their desktop. It's the first thing they land on. And most contractor websites that I audit, here's what I see. A big, pretty photo of a house, the company name, and maybe a tagline that says quality you can trust. And that's it. No phone number, no get a free quote, nothing that tells the visitor what to do next. So what is the homeowner actually supposed to do? They have to scroll down, look around, find a contact link in the menu, click it, fill out a form. Every extra step you make, someone take, you lose 20 to 30% of them. And by the time they get to your form, half of your visitors are gone. So here's what it should look like. You should have your phone number, big, bold, clickable, in the top right corner or somewhere in your header. You should have get your free estimate button in the center of the hero section, or even the contact form itself. A secondary button that has another page that they can go to. Within 2 seconds of landing on the page, the homeowner should know exactly what to do. And so you need to make sure, if you don't have this already, the quick fix is putting your phone number in the header or having a floating phone number. Make it clickable on mobile. Add a primary CTA call to action button. Get a free quote, schedule your free estimate, call now, right in the center of the hero section, and make that button stand out. This single change can increase your conversion rate by 30 to 50%. I'm not exaggerating. Mistake number 2 is that your website is too slow, especially on mobile. Here's a stat that should scare you. Over 70% of contractor website traffic comes from mobile devices, if not more. Homeowners are searching on their phones while looking at a leak in their ceiling or a crack in their foundation. They need your website to load fast. But most contractor websites that I audit, they're loading in 5, 6, sometimes 8 seconds on mobile. And Google's data shows that if your page takes longer than 3 seconds to load, 53% of visitors leave before it even finishes loading. That's more than half. Gone. Forever. And they went to your competitor whose website loads faster. Fix here: compress all of your images. There are free tools like Tiny PNG or Short Pixel that do this automatically. Make sure as well that you remove any plugins from your website that you're not using. Make sure your hosting is decent. Don't use the cheapest $5 a month hosting plan, and implement a caching plugin like WP Rocket if you're on WordPress. You should be able to get your mobile speed above 70 with these simple changes. And when your website loads fast, Google rewards you with better rankings. So it's a double win. Mistake number 3, and this is the one that drives me crazy because it's so easy to fix, and I've been talking about this for so long, is that you have no service area pages. Here's what I mean. Let's say you're a roofer in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You need a page for Dallas, you need a page for Fort Worth, you need a page for Plano, Frisco, McKinney, Allen, Richardson, Garland, Irving, a bunch of cities. But on your website, you end up having one page that says we serve the DFW metro area, and that's it. The problem there is that when someone is in Plano and searches roofer in Plano, Google is looking for a page on your website that specifically mentions Plano. If all you have is the DFW metro area and maybe you mention Plano in one aspect on your website, you're going to get outranked by the competitor who built out a page specifically titled Roof Replacement in Plano, Texas, with content specific to that city. So the fix here is to build a dedicated page for every single city that you serve. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but it's why we add 10 new pages a month for every single client for our digital marketing agency that works with us starting in month 2. These pages are your local SEO goldmine. Each page should have a target keyword in the title like roof replacement in Plano, Texas. Unique content about serving that area, project photos from that city, and testimonials from customers in that area. If you serve 15 cities, you should have 15 service area pages on your website. This alone can double or triple your organic traffic in just 3 to 6 months. Mistake number 4 is that there's zero social proof on your website. We audit contractor websites all the time, and they have no reviews displayed or no mention of how many reviews they have. No project photos, no testimonials, no trust badges, no before and afters, nothing that gives a homeowner any reason to trust this company. Think about it from the homeowner's perspective. Put yourself in their shoes. They found your website and they've never heard of you. They're about to invite a stranger into their home to do work that costs thousands and thousands of dollars. What do they need? They need proof that you're legit. They need to see that other people have hired you and been happy. The fix, at minimum, put your Google review score and have it automated with that star rating on your homepage with a link to your reviews. Add 3 to 5 written testimonials from real customers with their first name and city. Build a project gallery with before and after photos. This is especially powerful for painters, landscapers, and remodelers. Add trust badges, license numbers, insurance info, BBB if you're a part of it, awards or certification. We've seen these simple increases allow for an increase in conversion rates by 40 to 60% for our clients. Social proof is the closest thing to a magic button in marketing. Mistake number 5 drives me absolutely insane, and it's shockingly common, is that your website is full of generic stock photos instead of photos of your actual work. I cannot tell you how many contractor websites I audit where the homepage has a picture of a smiling guy in a hard hat that I've seen on 15 other websites, or a perfectly staged kitchen that was clearly shot in a showroom in another state. Or, this is my favorite, a stock photo of a house that isn't even in the same climate as the contractor's service area. You're a roofer in Texas, and your homepage shows a house with a roof that has snow on it. I mean, come on, it's pathetic. And here's why this kills your leads. Homeowners aren't stupid. They can spot a stock photo instantly. And the moment they realize your website is full of fake images, they think one of two things. Either A, this company doesn't have any real work to show, which means they're either brand new or not very good, or B, this company is cutting corners on their own website. So what corners are they going to cut on actual jobs? Compare that to a website that has real photos of real projects, before and after shots of an actual roof they replaced in the homeowner's neighborhood, a photo of the actual crew they had on the job site, the owner standing in front of a branded truck. This website screams legitimacy. You trust this company before you even read a word. So the fix, starting today, take photos of every single job. Your phone is totally fine. You do not need a professional photographer. If you want to get one, great, but that's not what's holding you up. Your phone camera is just fine. Just make sure the lighting is decent and the shot is steady. Before and after photos are gold. A wide shot of the finished project is also gold. Your crew working on site is gold. Then get these photos on your website. Replace every stock image with a real project photo. Build a project gallery page organized by service type and add 3 to 5 project photos to each page. So your roof replacement page shows actual roofs you've replaced, not a stock image of a house that could be anywhere. We've had 2 remodeling clients who swapped out all of their stock photos to real before and after project galleries. Same website, same traffic, same everything else, and their contact form submissions combined went up about 40 to 50% for each of those companies in just the first couple of months. That is just from making the website look real. Because trust is everything in this business, and nothing builds trust faster than proof of work you actually did great. Okay, let me give you the quick action plan. As a quick recap, here are the 5 fixes in order of priority. 1, add a clear call to action above the fold. Phone number, quote button, contact form, make it obvious, and do this today. 2, test your site speed and fix the easy wins. Compress images, remove unused plugins. Do that this week. 3, Add social proof to your homepage, reviews, testimonials, project photos this week. Number 4, build service area pages for the top 5 cities if you don't have them. Do that this month. And then number 5, replace every stock photo on your website with real project photos. Start photographing every single job today and have your gallery updated within 30 days. If you do all 5 of these, I guarantee your website will generate more leads. It's not a question. I've seen it happen hundreds of times. Now, here's what I want you to do. Drop your website URL in the comments. Seriously, put it down there. I will personally take a look at it and tell you the number 1 thing you need to fix. That's a free audit right here in the YouTube comments. Take full advantage of it. But if you want a full detailed audit of your website with a custom action plan, book a strategy call with us. There's a link in the description. We do this for contractors every single day, and we'd love to help turn your website into a lead generation machine. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. I'm posting new contracting marketing content every single week. And share this video with a contractor friend who needs to hear it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.